Facial has become need of the day for proper care of the skin. It takes out the dust and toxins from the skin, makes it glowing oils of skin. As we age, the oils of skin, the grease and dust atmosphere makes skin dead, therefore facials are taking popularity. But chemicals-based facial creams cannot be used so oftenly because it also toxifies skin, so today natural ingredients-based facials massage cream. Ingredients: yogurt. Takes 1 cup yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid and alpha-hydroxy acid that dissolves dead skin cells. This gentle exfoliation not only helps to create a natural glow and prevent breakouts but works to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. When topically applied to the skin, a velvety yogurt face mask will help moisturize, fight acne, prevent premature aging, relieve sunburn, and reduce discoloration. It's an all-around beauty multitasker. Turmeric powder. Take 1 pinch turmeric powder. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. You may want to try a turmeric face mask at home to see if the spice has any positive effects on your skin. Almond oil. Take 2 to 3 drops of almond oil. Almond oil has been used for centuries to soothe the skin and treat minor wounds and cuts. It has been used in ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic practices to treat skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. More than soothing dry skin, almond oil can improve complexion and skin tone. It's highly emollient, which means it helps to balance the absorption of moisture and water loss. Because it is antibacterial and full of vitamin A, almond oil can be used to treat acne. Its concentration of vitamin E can also help to heal sun damage, reduce the signs of aging, and fade scars. Rosehip oil. Take 2 to 3 drops rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is also known as rosehip seed oil. Unlike rose oil, which is extracted from rose petals, rosehip oil is pressed from the fruit and seeds of the rose plant. Prized since ancient times for its valuable healing benefits, rosehip oil is loaded with skin-nourishing vitamins and essential fatty acids. It also contains phenols that have been shown to have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Rosehip oil is often used as a carrier oil for essential oils which are too intense to put on your skin directly. Brown sugar. Take 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Brown sugar is gentler than salt and softer than granulated sugar. As brown sugar exfoliates dead cells from the outer skin and hydrates the skin, it gives the skin a shiny glow. It works to prevent and assuage problems of tan skin. It can be applied on legs, back, and shoulders. Aloe Vera Gel. Takes 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known to be a natural moisturizer. It has hydrating properties and absorbs into the skin like magic. Even for oily and acne-prone skin, aloe vera has proved to be an excellent moisturizer. Mix them well in a bowl and massage it on face. It will take the dust toxins from skin and would make it soft. The brown sugar would work as a scrub and would help to remove dead skin.